Multilogin is the all-in-one solution for running multiple dropshipping and e-commerce stores without bans. In this video, we'll guide you step-by-step through creating, managing, and scaling your profiles. Start by creating a new browser profile. In this example, we'll prepare a profile for an eBay account, but the same process works for Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, and more. Add pre-warmed cookies to make your profile look more natural and trusted to platforms. Select the residential proxy location. Multilogin provides clean built-in IPs. Choose the exact location for your proxy. This allows you to appear as a local seller in specific markets. Before launching, use the proxy check feature to verify your IP. Add tags and notes. Tags can be customized with colors, and notes can be up to 400 characters. If needed, fine-tune your browser fingerprint parameters with 25+ options. Once configured, save your profile. It's now ready for use. To save time, activate AI quick actions by typing AI in the search bar and entering your command. Your first e-commerce profiles are ready. Another way to scale quickly is to clone your setup. Click here to start. Choose how many new profiles you need. Each one will be isolated but have the same settings. In just a few minutes, you have a large number of profiles that you can start working with. Use tags and notes to manage large groups of profiles efficiently. Let's launch our profiles. If you haven't changed the startup setting, a Whoer IP page will open with the details of your profile. You can double-check your setup details. Run multiple profiles at once, track prices, manage suppliers, or create new store accounts, all in parallel. These platforms are the most common and the easiest to start dropshipping with today. With Multilogin, you can manage unlimited stores securely and scale your business across all of them. Thank you for watching. Learn more about Multilogin on our website and YouTube channel. Get started today and take your dropshipping business to the next level.